Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change coolant in a Toyota Yaris. First, always make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid any burns. Once safe, place a drain pan underneath your vehicle. Then, locate and open the radiator drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the radiator. Also, remove the radiator cap and detach the hose from the overflow reservoir to allow all the old coolant to drain out completely. After the old coolant has fully drained, close all the drain plugs and reattach the overflow reservoir hose. Now, fill your radiator and reservoir with distilled water. Start the engine and turn your heater to its highest setting. Let the engine run until it reaches its normal operating temperature, circulating the water. Once the engine cools down, repeat the draining process for the distilled water. With the system drained of flush water, close all drain plugs and ensure the overflow reservoir hose is securely connected. Begin refilling the radiator slowly with new Toyota Super Long Life coolant. Your Yaris will typically require about 5 to 6 quarts of coolant. This specific coolant is usually pink or red and is an ethylene glycol-based, non-silicate formula. Finally, fill the overflow reservoir to its designated full line. To bleed any trapped air, start the engine with the radiator cap off and the heater on high. As the engine warms, gently squeeze the upper and lower radiator hoses to help air escape. Once the level stabilizes, replace the cap. Drive your Yaris for a short period, then allow it to cool completely. Recheck the coolant levels in both the radiator and the overflow reservoir, topping up as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.